Hey guys, today I show up how to get free Amazon gift cards. You can see I redeem my codes. Paste your codes and click after balance. Oh, you can see added $100 on my balance. This is very simple. So at first open your browser and drive this website. All gift card store and official website, and you click Amazon gift cards. You will get unlimited free Amazon gift cards from here, and you click get it start. Just answer few questions and you will get unlimited Amazon gift cards and enjoy your life. Do you want some free Amazon gift cards? So is your gift card value? So I choose $100 and click $100 and connecting the gift card server. You can see and generate the code. Don't worry, for code decide, just verify required. Click verify now and complete on offer. Get full codes. Remember, you must be complete on offer and get full codes, and enter your email address and continue. Enter shipping address and a name. And continue. Survey complete. Don't worry, just this survey is very simple. Okay, I complete this survey. And do yes and no. I agree and continue. Yes, I want my rewards. Done. Finished. Complete deals. You can see I already completed one offer. Okay, I see verification completed and full code is available now. Okay, I open my notepad and type this code. Okay, type completed and I go to amazon.com to redeem this code. Okay, already log in my accounts and click gift cards. I click gift cards and you can see my current balance $59 and I click redeem an Amazon gift card. Okay, my current balance $59 and redeem a gift cards. And I open my notepad and copy this code and paste here and click apply balance. Wow, you can see already added $100 on my balance. This is very simple. You can